Hey guys, so I'm super excited to show you the 2 new slot machines that I found at Coushatta for the month of June. Stay tuned and happy sliding, you don't want to miss this. Alright guys, Crazy Chickens has arrived to Coushatta. So I'm gonna play a little bit. I have a fresh 100 and we just got here. Like, I bet 75 cents. I played this once before, but not here. So, okay. Volume's not the best. Let's see. This little red chicken is ready to pop. I guess the blue one or purple. It's coming close. Do you think it's blue or purple? Ish. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can pop one of these little chickens. Because I did play it once before, not here. Like I said, it's new here. But I never actually got the bonus, so if I pop one of these chickens, I will be right back. Ooh, what you doing, girl? What I just found at Coushatta, Huff and Even More Club. Oh yeah, we're about to play this because I already love Huff and Puff. And I've been seeing other places play it, but I am excited to play it myself. So let's see if we can get anything on it. If I get anything, I'll be back. Okay, cute little line head. For the grand. You better not give me no dang penny. You better not. Ah, I got it. Okay, look it. First time playing this game. That's so great. Alright, we want the super mansion feature of the grand. Or the super. Oh yeah, super jackpot. Oh wow, super mansion feature. Stop. Lobster. The super buzz soft feature. I don't know what this one does, but we'll see. This one, lots of money. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I like this. Okay. Cute little start. Oh, we have a mansion. Nice. Alright, we need some more hats. Hats. Hey. More hats. Dang it. Okay, 2 mansions. Alright, we get a lot more hats on this last man. Oh, there we go. Another mansion. Whoop. Get on this. I'm a little nervous. At least we have what, 3 mansions? That's not bad. Okay, oh, get a point on that? Backup spins. Ooh, so close. Even more puff now at Coushatta. Guys can check it out. It's a cute little machine. I feel like it's a little more volatile than the other one, but I liked it. We're gonna go see what else they have that's new here today.